13 coaches of Sialdah Ajmer Superfast Express derails near Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Several passengers injured. Team rushed to the spot for speedy rescue and relief operations. Incident takes place near Rura station in Kanpur's Dehad district today morning. People would be willing to pay more taxes if proceeds are utilized in a better way, asserts PM Modi as he chairs meeting of top economists at Niti Aayog for enhancing digital connectivity, simplification of tax structure and lowering tax rates. Some people are disturbed by the crackdown on ringleaders of corrupt, says PM Modi as he takes swipe at Uttarakhand government over corruption allegations. Appeals to people to vote for BJP government in the state. Prime Minister lays foundation stone for Char Dham Highway Development Program in Uttarakhand's Dehradun. Terms the project as a tribute to those who lost their lives during the Uttarakhand flash floods. Says all-weather roads to generate new employment opportunities for the youth in the hills. India abides by all applicable international obligations and hopes others will do the same, asserts MEA spokesperson in reaction to Beijing's comments over Agni 5 test launch. Says India's strategic capabilities are not targeted against any particular country. Home Ministry cancels licenses of 20,000 NGOs for violating various provisions of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Now these NGOs will not be eligible to receive foreign funds. BJP lashes out at a cornered BSP chief Mayawati as she cries foul over party accounts being scrutinized by the Enforcement Directorate. Ravi Shankar Prasad says Mayawati's comments are politically motivated and condemnable. DJ Dhan Mela takes off in Ludhiana, Punjab amid widespread enthusiasm. Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal says the campaign will help in transition to less cash economy. DJ Dhan Mela reaches Goa today. Anti-black money drive continues across country. In Navi Mumbai, police seized Rs 46 lakh in new 2000 notes from a commercial firm and 3 arrested. In Bhopal, police seized Rs 16 lakh 8,000 in new notes and arrested 2 persons. In Mandya district of Karnataka, Rs 52.62 lakh in new currency recovered from a gang of 14 people. Employees at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport to carry Aadhaar cards to work along with their entry pass from January 1. Central Industrial Security Force issues guidelines in this regard to improve the security arrangement at the airport. Cold and foggy weather conditions continue in parts of northern India. Kashmir Valley reels under sub-zero temperatures and Narnaul in Haryana records a low of 3 degrees Celsius. 52 trains delayed while 10 rescheduled due to foggy weather conditions. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe pledges never to wage war again as he visits Pearl Harbor Memorial commemorating World War II. Says we must never repeat the horrors of war again. US President and Japanese Prime Minister makes a symbolic joint visit to Pearl Harbor, highlights the strength of the US-Japan alliance. Abe and Obama commemorates the dead at the USS Arizona Memorial, built over the remains of the sunken battleship USS Arizona. Union Sports Minister Vijay Goyal hits out at Indian Olympics Association for making Suresh Kalmari and Abhay Chautala as life presidents. Says it's totally unacceptable as both of them are facing serious criminal and corruption charges. Gujarat Samit Gohil amasses an unbeaten 359 in the Ranji Trophy quarter-final tie against Odisha at Jaipur. Surpasses the 117-year-old record for the highest score while carrying the bat in first-class cricket. Achieves the feast in 723 balls and smashed 45 fours and won 6 on the way.